Alright, there's some eggs there today. None in the middle. And none in that corner. Or this corner. There's a couple eggs in here, and none of them look broken. That warm weather that we had must have really offset their egg laying this winter. Or at least this week. Alright, both of the nesting boxes are nice and dry. And there's the eggs. But this one is really strange looking. It has all these little speckles on it. Or they're not even speckles, so bumps. So, that's interesting. Alright, in the second coop now. And there are no eggs over there. Or in that nesting box. There's a little feather over there. And there's another feather. None here. And none in there. I wonder why they don't use this coop as often. But everything is nice and dry in here. And so the count for today is 17 eggs. And there are 2 with little abnormalities. Here is this egg. The one with all these weird spots on it. So strange. But also kind of cool. And here is this egg. Nope. Okay. Set that right there. With this little bump. Well, I guess it's not really little, it's kind of a big bump. But that's strange, too. Alright. That's it for today, I suppose. They had laid this many eggs in 6 days. Huh. It's not the middle of the winter. That's so strange.